going on, viewers? Just want to give you guys an update of my engine that I'm working on. I ran into a situation that my water pump is actually on time. The reason how I found out was about this back part, and you see how this one shows different. So I'm gonna have to go back to Toyota and see if they could get that part for me. If they cannot, then it's going to be discontinued and I'm going to have to probably go after the market. Right now we're going to go on the tool truck. I want to see if they have they call it two different names if you guys don't know. They call it the freeze plug and they can call it the core plug. It's a tool that goes in here and it's a metal bar and then you hammer it in and it goes very easily in. See if he has it. Oh, this motherfucker.
Oh my God, what are you doing?
Oh man, we're getting you on camera, man. That's what we're doing.
You're all sounded up too.
Hell yeah, dude. What you got? Hey, show me that license you got. Woo! Look at that, guys. Got me right there. I need a tool for the core plug. Have you ever heard of it?
The core plug tool.
Yeah, it's called the freeze plug as well.
Okay.
You know what that is?
Yeah, I know what freeze plug is.
Okay. There's two different names, but a lot of people know it by freeze plug. But I wanted to get a price. Look at all these toys, guys. Weird. So, dude.
Oh, that's weird.
Oh, yeah.
What's that?
My GoPro.
I think they're 60 bucks a shot. Either 60 or 35 bucks a shot. Yeah, that's
Hey,
pretty
man.
eyebrows. Frost plug, freeze plug remover installer kit.
Let's look. Yep. How much is it?
Or says $93.
$93?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Alright. Not gonna order right now, but at least I know how much it's gonna cost.